I'm going to show you the top 5 reasons why renting an RV is the ultimate photography platform for a landscape photography trip. You are going to love this video if you like photography. Hey, my name's Tim Shields. I'm a landscape photographer from the beautiful Pacific Northwest, and my role in this channel is to help you take your photography from good to great. And if you want to do that, then hit the red subscribe button and the bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. In addition, you can download a free sample pack of my signature landscape profiles for Lightroom CC. Click the link below. So I'm going to show you the reasons why you should consider renting an RV for your next photography trip. I have been using an RV for years. I have a truck and a camper and I love it. It allows me to go anywhere at any time, and I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why I think you should consider doing the exact same thing on your next photography trip. Number 5, you have power. Photographers need electricity. Photographers need power. You've got so many things that need charging up. When you're in an RV, you can charge all of your devices at the same time. I can charge my phone or any devices that need 12 volts through a USB port, and I have numerous USB ports. I can charge my laptop, my camera batteries, and my drone batteries, and all of those need 110 volts in order to charge them up. So to charge these devices, I use a small and portable generator. I have a long extension cord so I don't have to hear the noise. Most rental RVs come with a built-in generator, so you don't need to be worrying about extension cords. I will have the generator running for maybe an hour or two, just long enough to charge the batteries on these devices.
And now I'm self-sufficient. I have full power. I can charge up everything.
There are large batteries inside the RV. On my camper, I charge them up during the daytime with solar panels that are on the roof. And if I run the generator, that also charges those batteries. And those batteries will power the lights inside the camper, and they will also be used to charge up my 12-volt devices. Having a generator is actually pretty fun because if you want to, you could even bring along a projector and have a special movie night during your camping trip. Number 4, you can do your photo editing in the field. What I enjoy about my camper is that I can put my laptop on the table in front of me, and there's room for the laptop and the mouse beside it. There's space and room to breathe, and I can do my photo editing during the evenings right after I've shot those photos. I have the power to charge that laptop. I'm in a safe, warm, dry, secure environment. I have music going on the stereo. I really like the ability to be able to edit photos in the field, so when the trip is over, I already have a good selection of photos that have been edited and processed. Number 3, you can make really good food. Just because you're camping doesn't mean you have to eat crap. And I like to eat nice food. When I camp with my wife in the camper, she is a gourmet cook and she loves to create just beautiful gourmet presentations. She likes to cook appetizers, colorful salads, and of course, beautiful main courses. What is nice about having a camper or an RV is that you have all the amenities of a regular kitchen right there. We have a 3-burner stove, we have an oven, a fridge, a freezer, and cupboard space for the pots, the pans, the cutlery, the plates, the glasses. And there's something really awesome about having an excellent meal when you are way off the grid in the middle of nowhere. There's just something extra special about it, and it makes the trip way more fun. So we can bring all the ingredients to create good dinners, good lunches right there inside the RV. Number 2, you have all the comforts of home. So inside my camper, I have a full-size, queen-size bed with a high-quality mattress, and that's important because I like to try and have a good sleep. Inside the camper, there is a compact little bathroom where there is a toilet, a sink, and a shower. And the camper has its own water tank with a hot water heater, so you can have warm shower or have hot water coming out of the sink. RVs also have insulated walls and doors, so when it's cold outside, you're nice and toasty, warm, and cozy on the inside. My camper has a thermostat, so you can set the temperature for 20 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit and stay nice and warm on the inside. Also, RVs are secure. They have hard walls, they have locking doors, so you're safe from wildlife, you're safe from bears, and you just have a safer feeling being inside an RV than you do compared with sleeping in a tent. And number one is that you can go anywhere and stay anywhere. We have stayed overnight on the way to photo locations at highway rest stops or in Walmart parking lots or wherever we're permitted to stay. But not only that, when you get to where you're going, it may be a location that's completely off the grid, in the middle of nowhere. I really enjoy being in locations that are not in established campsites, but are truly in the wilderness where there are no other people. So this means you can camp at your actual photo destination and you're self-sufficient there. So you can be warm and dry and safe. And for me, it's more enjoyable than staying in a tent. My camper has big tires, it has high clearance, it has four-wheel drive, so we can go practically anywhere, such as the remote areas of the Grand Canyon on the North Rim, the isolated sand dunes of Death Valley, the Canadian Rockies during the wintertime, the rainforests of the Pacific Northwest, or even a place like Crater Lake National Park or Trona Pinnacles in California. What I enjoy specifically is being able to stay right at the photo location so you can take your photos in the sunset time, then sleep overnight, and then get up early for sunrise, and you're right there at the same place. What I really love is the fact that you're not just visiting, but you're actually staying. You have all of the comforts of home, all of the amenities of home right there in that compact little unit. And what I like about my camper is that it is small enough to move through traffic in the big city or find a parking spot in a place where with a really large RV, you're never going to find a parking spot. And in terms of cost, I've calculated out that if you rent an RV and buy all your own food and cook your own food inside the RV, it is the same price or just even a little bit less compared to staying in a hotel and eating out at restaurants for the whole trip. The bottom line is this: all of my best experiences on photo trips have been on RV trips. I love it. I absolutely love it. I find it way more enjoyable than staying in a tent. I find it more enjoyable than staying in a hotel. I like the fact that I don't have to drive really long distances in between the hotel and the photography location first thing in the morning or at night, which just rushes and compresses the whole trip. It's more relaxed because you can just stay there and take your photos, go inside, have a cup of coffee, edit your photos, go to bed right there. It takes a lot of pressure off on the trip. So here's the question of the day. What do you think? Is this something that you would do? Is this something that you have done? Have you considered the cost? Is this something that you're interested in doing? Please leave a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. And also, please, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me if you do, and please hit the red subscribe button and the little bell beside it. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!